Hi, I'm McJari, and I want to introduce a project that I've been wanting to make for a while, the Wind Waker Master Document, which I hope to eventually make into an all-in-one wiki about everything Wind Waker. At first, my idea was limited by what kind of tool I wanted to use. Luckily, I recently found a perfect application for this project. It's called Notion, which is an all-in-one workspace where you can make task lists, product roadmaps, design repositories, wikis, etc. And you can customize your own workspace from dozens of Lego-style building blocks. Workspaces can either be personal or collaborative. A workspace consists of pages, which can then have an infinite amount of subpages. For complete functionality, Notion has priced subscriptions, but for this project, a free personal workspace is just fine. A free personal workspace can have 5 extra guests with permissions from either viewing, commenting, or editing. Now, the eventual goal for this project is to document everything about each game, which is going to take a really long time, but for now, I'm focusing on speedrun related things. The first goal is to have a very long list of tricks that involve skips and or glitches. There are 2 lists so far, techniques and tricks. In this document, I have defined a technique as a general glitch. It can also be a trick with multiple steps that is of great importance, like super swimming. And a trick is defined as one or multiple techniques and a location that together make a named term. Think of a technique as an ingredient and a trick as a dish. So techniques are building blocks for tricks. The technique list is of course much shorter than the list of tricks, because it's not location based. Here I can read about a technique with embedded images, videos, and hyperlinks, just like on a Zelda Speedruns website. These are tags. Each technique is tagged with which version of the game it supports. Now, this is cool and all, but the trick list is the core of this project. Eventually, most tricks in both games will be listed here, whether it's sequence breaks, unintended shortcuts, skips, everything from big tricks like barrier skip, puppet Ganon skip, to small ones like the rock skip on Dragon Roost or the shortcut to the top of the bomb house in Windfall. This list is where the magic happens. Let's say I want to clip out of the jail in Forsaken Fortress, but I'm not sure what the trick is called. Here's a row of filters, which lets you filter tags by technique, location, and game version. You can also search for the trick directly here. So let's find the jail trick. I know it takes place in Forsaken Fortress, and let's say I already know that a roll clip is involved. Boom, there it is. This way of filtering will be very useful whenever this list gets super long. Up here are some general articles about the games and an interactive map of the Great Sea. I hope this document will be helpful to both new and old speedrunners and just Wind Waker enthusiasts. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the link to the project in the description. Stay tuned for more content in this project and check back for updates. Thanks for watching.